Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for Nadula hair. All the goodies they sent over in the package. I love the robes and I love how the nails match the coloring. Everything was on brand. So today we are doing a bob install. This is the 7x5 pre-bleached natural looking Yaki bob glueless straight wig. That was a mouthful, but yeah. So I'm showing you guys the construction of the cap. You get a clip in the back, you get the adjustable strap, and then you get the elastic band that is removable. So I'm just tinting my lace with my even lace tinting spray in the darkest brown color, and then I'm going to add the adjustable strap, and of course you can adjust it to how tight you want to be. This is a completely glueless wig, so the adjustable strap comes in handy, and that's just a quick little view of how I put it on. I always put the adjustable strap on first, and then I flip the wig over, and it just depends on how I'm feeling that day, how tight I want to be, how flawless I want the look to be. So first style we're gonna do is just like a middle part, so I can show y'all, and then later on I'll show you guys how you can easily change it from a middle part to a side part. So I'm just adding my wax stick to the middle part, and then I'm just going to use my hot comb to make everything nice and flat. I love the texture of this wig. Y'all saw in the first clips. It just looked like I got my hair flat ironed or whatever, you know, whatever. So love that. So I'm just going to keep on hot combing that section until it's nice and flat. Okay, so I'm showing you guys how it comes like in the package. Sometimes you get a couple bumps and lumps, so it's good to go over it with a flat iron. Most of it was straight for the most part, so I'm not really doing too much sectioning. I'm just going over all of the hair with the flat iron, so I can just pretty much smooth everything out and get that body so that the wig can just be moving and groove. Well, it was already moving, like in the package it had a lot of body, but we want everything to be nice and seamless and straight and just look nice and fresh like we just styled it. Now, I did say that this is a glueless wig, right? I did say that this wig came pre-bleached, right? I did say that this is a very easy, beginner-friendly install, right? So that's why we're already done. So I'm showing you guys up-close views and everything of what the hairline looks like. The hairline looks really nice. It's impeccable. The lace looks so good. And then this is a 7x5 closure wig, so you can part it all along the front. You can do a side part, middle part. You can even do like a little up and down or whatever you want to. You can have plenty of options even with a bob wig. So I'm just going to do a middle part just to show y'all how easy it is to go from a middle part to a side part. Really all you have to do is kind of mold the hair and press it down. So you see how I got the big lump right there? All we're gonna do is get a little bit of the wax stick again, and then we're gonna hot comb it down, and that's about it. And then you'll have a side part style. So yeah, y'all, that's that. And of course this wig is completely glueless. I definitely recommend this bob. So if you like this wig or any other wig from Nadula hair, I will have all links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.